On this 13th day of October 2023, I honor my ancestors. I remember them. I venerate them. My blood ancestors, my spiritual ancestors. I remember all the spiritual team that work with me, that help me and guide me through this life and all other lives. I acknowledge and I venerate the primordial prime creator, the prime source, from which emerges consciousness, experience, being, and essence. I look forward to the lessons of this year and years past and the time to come. I am thankful for all things. I am thankful in all ways. I am thankful for the power to create narrative, the power to create our own destiny, the power to think and to be and to understand. I seek elevation in consciousness, being, essence, and understanding. I reach out to my highest self, my highest frequency and vibration, and I do so in harmony with the lowest frequencies and vibration beneath my feet and surrounding me. Through somatics and through sound, the powers of the wind carry my words, carry my hopes, my dreams, my destiny, and all of those who are allied with me and are truly with me, both in spirit, in ideology, and philosophy, and understanding, and in truth, be with me now and forever. Work with me on all things. To my great ancestor, she who has immediately preceded me, I light a candle for you. A candle that serves as the light of inspiration, the light of love, the light of joy, the light of peace, the light of happiness, the light of goodness, kindness. And thank you for being there with me through all things and in all ways, not only in action, but in spirit and truth and love. Thank you. And to you, great ancestor, I bring to you a gift, a stack of money for the next life. Premium gold, gold that helps you in your journey, the journey ahead. This gold is for you. This gold is for you. I commit this gold to my great ancestor, my immediate ancestor, the one through whose womb I entered this existence and this reality. May she forever be venerated, vindicated, and elevated in her actions, in her ways. Great ancestor, know this, that all your dreams come true. And to you, I want you to have all the money. All the money. And here's how we arrange that for you to get a down payment. All the money, all the value, great spirits, see her way to higher heights. See her way to higher being. See her way to higher truth. Let us go big or go home for our ancestors. May all the 5 elements come together to bring about manifestation, transformation, elevation, purity of mind, body, and spirit, clarity. This is my 26th day of a fast that I've held steady from September 17 until now, and it shall continue. Bring clarity, my ancestors, my blood ancestors, my spiritual ancestors. I believe, I hold steady, I have more than faith, I have knowledge, I know there's a greater reality beyond. May the sound of fire, as I am born from the year of the dragon, may the fires of eternity and the dragons of existence summon forth this flame and this heat. It deters me not. I stand in strength, I stand in power. As I forfeit the pleasures of the flesh, bring forth the principles of goodness. Thank you, great ancestors. Thank you, great spirits. Thank you, great consciousness. Send us forward, further, greater. Bring to us more. Amplify us in magnitude. And bestow this gift of great generosity, of great abundance, and transform it and bring back to us a trillion-fold. Thank you, my spiritual team, the pantheon of gods that stand with us, that will elevate us and ascend us and transform us. Bring us into a greater realization of spiritual truth, power, and magnitude. And though our steps may at times seem ordinary, let our inner spirit always attune and drive towards the extraordinary. Thank you.